Hey everyone, it's Linda Medeiros with the Pampered Chef and What's Linda Cooking. I am here making Sunday night dinner and I am just going to do a really quick, I have cooked shrimp and some pasta. So I am going to make a shrimp pasta and very, very quick and easy. Normally you're not going to use cooked, but that's what I have. So I am using that and it's going to come together really, really quickly. So I am going to show this camera over here. You will see I have my cast iron skillet going here with a little bit of butter. I'm actually going to add, because I don't want all butter, I want to add some olive oil. And I'm just going to quickly add some garlic and red pepper flakes, okay? So just some garlic, that was 4 garlic cloves and some red pepper flakes. And then quickly, we are going to add some washed baby spinach. Now you can do arugula if you want. I'm just gonna do spinach, maybe one more, because we want those veggies in here. And we're just gonna cook this down really quickly. Now, I'm not going to put my shrimp in there. Oh, and you know what? I want some salt and pepper. So I'm going to put some salt. And I don't have my peppercorns. So I'm going to kind of go with, oh, nope. I got to open it up. I don't have any peppercorns, so I'm going to just do this stuff. So I'm going to put a little bit right in there. And I'm going to take my little mix and scraper, kind of move it around. I don't want that garlic to burn, so we're just going to move this around. Now my shrimp is just a little bit frozen, so I'm actually going to add that right on top, and that is going to defrost. There we go. And if you think that you need a little more liquid, that's what the pasta water is going to be for. So this is going to hang around, and if I find that the shrimp starts to cook too much, I'm going to take it right out and shut this down. In my rock crock right here, I have my water boiling. Once that comes to boil, I'm going to throw in my pasta, and then we're going to marry it. I'm going to save some of the liquid, and I will, get back to you when this is kind of almost done, okay? So I'll see you in a bit. So our pasta is done from the rock crock, and I am just going to put this right in here. I'm using my chef's tongs, and I'm just gonna add this right to the great shrimp mixture. And if there's some left in here, not a big deal. This is angel hair pasta, so it cooked very, very quickly. Very, very quickly. So we're gonna add that. And then I'm just going to mix it on together, maybe add a little more spices, and I'm going to take some out for my mother because she can't have cream in hers, and Michael and I are going to have a little bit of cream in ours. So we're going to kind of add, okay, I got just about everything. Let me just get a little bit more in here. Oh, I'm kind of want to get it all in here. So we're going to toss this just like this, and that's going to incorporate. Now, if I wanted more spinach in here, I can definitely add more spinach. Normally, that's probably what I would do, but I'm just going to kind of go with that, go with what's here. So we're going to add some of the pasta and make sure that there's enough for my mother in here. I still might add a little bit more. Like I said, I might add a little bit more of the, there we go. So that's that one. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of cream in here. And like I said, I might just add a little bit more of the spinach because I think there could be a little more spinach in here. So we're just going to add that right to the top. And this is going to wilt down really quickly, so not a big deal, okay? And then I have a little bit of whipping cream. Going to smell it first. And we're just going to add that in there. That's just going to add some of the creaminess to it. And then I'm going to add some freshly grated, and I've grated some already, Parmesan cheese right on top. There we go. That's my cutting board. I love those. No skid. And we're just gonna incorporate this all in. Now in an ideal world, I would have put enough of the spinach in there, so this would have been all set. But like I said, this is gonna wilt down in a matter of a couple of minutes. And then this is gonna be done. So literally, if I had started the water earlier, this would have been done in 20 minutes total. That's with the pasta water being done. So really, really quick and easy recipe. And a lot of you have pasta at home, and some of you have chicken. There's no reason why you couldn't add chicken to this instead of the shrimp. So if you didn't have shrimp, you would just add the chicken to it. You know, or whatever. If you had maybe some clams, you can add clams to it. You know, whatever you want. I just happen to have some of the cocktail shrimp, so I did that. Now, if you wanted, you could add maybe a little bit of Italian seasoning in here. That would make, oh, that's dill. Wait a second. That would make even more flavor, bump up some flavor. 2, just a little more flavor profile on there. Let's add that. If you wanted to add some parsley, you could do that. And I have some dried parsley I can add, but I actually like the green of the spinach, and I think that is good. Look at that, how beautiful. And I may add a little bit more cheese right on the top of each of the plates, because that looks amazing. And how I do my cheese, I always do it fresh, and I do it with my microplane grater. So that is it. This is just a shrimp, spinach, and pasta dish done very, very quickly. You can do it with the, I'll go on here. You can do it with the cream or without. You don't have to. And sometimes I will finish it off with a little bit of olive oil on top, just to kind of finish it off. Or you can do butter on top, just to kind of finish it off a little bit with a little bit of brightening. If you have some lemon, I don't have any lemon, but if you do, you can just add a splash of lemon on here. And this is, dinner is done. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So what are you guys all cooking tonight? Drop me a line. I would love to see it. And this is Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking and Pampered Chef. And happy cooking. Drop a comment in the comments of what you're cooking tonight. Also, share this, because sharing is caring. Oh, and subscribe if you're on Facebook. If you're on YouTube. Bye for now.